Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your sanctuary for stories that inspire, heal, and connect. Before we dive into today's tale, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together in this garden of life, nurturing our minds and hearts with the wisdom of nature and the beauty of human connection. Today, we're going to explore the world of the daffodil, a golden bloom that symbolizes trust and devotion. Picture a field of daffodils, their golden heads bobbing in the breeze, a sea of sunshine under a clear blue sky. This is where our story begins. In a small town nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, lived a young couple, Emily and Tom. They were as different as night and day, yet their love for each other was as radiant as the golden daffodils that grew in abundance around their quaint little cottage. Emily, with her fiery spirit, was the sun, while Tom, calm and steady, was the moon. Their love story was not without its challenges, but like the daffodil that blooms after a harsh winter, their relationship only grew stronger with each passing day. One day, Emily found a golden daffodil growing alone in their garden. Seeing it as a sign, she decided to gift it to Tom as a symbol of her trust and devotion. Little did she know Tom had found a similar daffodil and had the same idea. When they presented their gifts to each other, they were surprised and delighted. It was a magical moment, a testament to their shared love and understanding. The daffodil became their symbol, a golden beacon of their unwavering trust and devotion. Through every storm, every challenge, they held on to their daffodils, reminding each other of their shared bond and the strength of their love. And so, my beautiful blossoms, the story of Emily and Tom teaches us the power of trust and devotion in relationships. Like the daffodil, love can bloom in the harshest conditions, shining its golden light even in the darkest times. Remember, every flower in our garden of life has a story to tell, a lesson to teach. So let's continue to grow and bloom together, nurturing our relationships with trust, love, and devotion. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this story, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And remember, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's continue to bloom together in this beautiful garden of life. Until next time, keep shining, keep blooming, and keep spreading the love. This is Lily from Inspirational Flower signing off.